Upwork just posted 448,118 jobs for the quarter, down 14.2%. That's 74,000 gone in 3 months, and it's the fourth quarter in a row the number has fallen. 613,000, then 540,000, then 522,000, now 448,000. Fewer jobs, each one harder to win, and the loudest voice in the market just told you which end broke. He's wrong. Upwork's own CEO gave the market his answer publicly. He blamed AI for eating the cheap end, the $500 and under work a model can now do in one prompt. It's a tidy story, and it lets everyone off the hook. But the data we pulled says he's got it backwards. He's pointing at the wrong end of the market. Every budget band fell, but sort them by how hard and the story flips. Jobs over $5,000 fell 18.8%, the steepest drop on the board. Jobs under $100 fell 12.2%, the shallowest, so the cheap end actually gains share. The deepest budget work took the deepest cut, the cheapest took the softest. The floor gave out at the top, not the bottom. And here's the tell. Inside that cheap band, prices didn't move. Every percentile stayed flat. The low-end jobs that vanished weren't discounted first, they just disappeared at full price. So AI is deleting cheap jobs, not discounting them. Different problem, different fix. You can't win a job that no longer exists by bidding lower on it. So, group the work by what it physically requires. Work that needs a live human present, sales calls, coaching, anything on camera or on the phone barely moved, down 1.6%, and it still replies at 9%. Work that ships as a single digital file, code, a design, a deck fell 19.9% and replies at just 4.2%. Regulated work that carries accountability sits between them, down 14.2%. The pattern is clean. The more a job needs a person in the room, the better it held. It's tempting to say AI ate the single file work. Be careful. If that were true, the AI jobs would be booming. They're not. The whole AI cluster, machine learning, agents, automation, fell 15.1% too. The demand that was supposed to replace those files never showed up. Treat that as a caution, not a verdict. Here's what you can act on Monday. Stop measuring lanes in percentages. Price them in dollars. One first conversation in web, mobile, and software dev costs $51.24 in connects. The same reply in engineering and architecture costs $18.40. Same platform, nearly 3 times the cost to get one person to answer. And the best lane at scale isn't hidden. Lead generation and telemarketing replies at 11.3%, at $14.85 a conversation, spread across 236 different agencies. That last number matters. It isn't one specialist's private moat. It's an open lane 236 teams already run. You can too. One last number, and it's the biggest single effect in the whole study. Put a video in your cover letter, a short Loom link. Proposals with one reply at 11.3%, without it 6.04%, nearly double off a single link. A GitHub link does the reverse. It drops you to 3.34%, and speed won't save you. Anything sent inside 6 hours converts the same. A client wants to watch you explain the plan, not read your repo. The full report breaks down every category, every band, and the exact cost to win a reply in your lane. It's free at gigradar.i-o/upwork/reports/2026/Q2. And if you'd rather not run the connects math by hand, GigRadar bids for you, but start with the report. The market didn't disappear, it moved. This shows you where.